Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, I want to teach you some direction for favor when going for any interview. So, family, if you are going for an interview, kindly ensure that you do the direction that I'm coming to talk about. Whether it is a job interview, visa interview, or what have you, you can do this particular direction. So, all that you have to do is that you locate this particular plant that is called scientifically the Calotropis procera. When you come to Ghana, the accounts call it the wagashi leaf. Others also in Nigeria call it the ewe bombom. It is a very common plant. As you can see on the screen, there is one herb that you always find around. It has so many uses that we shall talk about later on this channel. But today, I want us to talk about how to use it to get a job or get a visa or get anything that you want. Get a special favor when you are going for a particular interview. So what you are going to do is that when you are having an interview, you locate this particular plant. So after locating it, you go there early morning before speaking to anyone. You go there and then you talk to it. You talk to it and tell it that by the power that God has invested in it, you shall come for some of the leaves in the evening to use it for a particular direction to help you to get a job or get a visa that you want. So you are coming to inform it before the evening. So you give it time like maybe 6 p.m. So exactly 6 p.m. in the evening, you go to the plant and then you put coins under it. The coins can be any coins at all that you think you can put it there. You can just drop it under it and then you now say your intentions and then your prayer before God. You tell God the reason why you are fetching the herbs. So, for example, you can say that God, you said we should use the herbs that you have created to solve our problem. Today, I'm coming before the Sodom apple to fetch some of the leaves of it to use it for direction to get a job or get a visa. So I'm coming for it. And then you pluck 3 leaves. When you pluck the 3 leaves, you now give thanks and then you go home and then put it under your pillow. So after putting it under your pillow, you sleep on it for 3 days. 3 days. So, for example, if you are going to the interview in 3 days' time, like maybe today is Sunday, and then you want to go to the interview on 3 days' time, you now go to the Sodom Apple in the morning, like maybe 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. before speaking to anyone on Sunday. You go to it in the morning, then you talk to it. So at 6 p.m. in the night, you now come home and then you put it under your pillow and then you sleep on it. So sleeping on it from Sunday to Monday morning is one day, and then sleeping on it on Monday evening to Tuesday morning is another day. So sleeping on it from Tuesday evening to Wednesday morning is another day. That is the third day. So on Wednesday morning, you can now use it. So this means that if you want to use it on, say, Thursday, you are supposed to come for the help on Monday. So that is how you are going to use it. And then on, say, Wednesday or the third day after sleeping on it for the 3 days, you now put it inside water. After putting it under your pillow, you put it into water, your bathing bucket. You put the 3 leaves inside and then you use it to bath. As you bath, you'll be saying your prayer intention. And then after bathing, you now use any cream at all that you want. So the bath, you can decide to use any soap or sponge. But after bathing, you are not going to use towel. You just allow it to dry on you and then you now smear the cream that you prefer on your body and then you go for the interview. And then you are surely going to get favor before those people, the panel over there, and then they are going to give you the job or the visa or whatever you desire. So there is a very simple direction for those people who are looking for job. They have applied several times. They always go for interviews and then they tell them they will hear from them, they will hear. But they never hear from them. So please kindly ensure that you do this direction to bring your testimony. Kindly ensure that you share your testimony on my Facebook page, DeRemedist. And then you also follow me on TikTok, Telegram channel, and all those social media platforms. Thank you very much for watching. In our next video, we shall talk about so many other things. So please kindly subscribe to the channel to benefit from all these remedies. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.